Maddie, what do you want?
The Red Bull.
The Red Bull.
Yes.
The Red Bull.
Yes. The Red Bull.
You're telling me you want this.
No, that's not what I want.
You said Red Bull.
That's a Red Bull. I want the Red Bull.
So this is what?
A Red Bull.
And what do you want?
The Red Bull.
So you want a Red Bull.
Yes. A Red Bull.
A Red Bull. Bull.
I can't say that. I can't say my vowels. Don't learn from me.
So you want a Red Bull and a Red Bull?
I want to put my salad in the Red Bull and mix it up.
Okay. That's a banana. There's a banana on the road.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Yes.
Tell us more.
Maddie, what is Sullivan looking for?
A baby woodchuck.
Baby woodchuck. Why would he possibly be doing that?
Baby woodchuck ate our lettuce.
Had to wrap it in chicken wire because there was a couple baby woodchucks in our yard and all of our lettuce got eaten down. Only one got eaten all the way down, but we'll see if they come back. Also, for those of you who follow me personally, you might have seen this already, but I was bored the other day while Maddie was putting Colton down. So I entered an online giveaway. I don't know if any of you guys have ever done that, but sometimes it's hard to believe anyone real actually wins them. But, Maddie, tell them what I won.
A new toilet.
No, I did not win a new toilet.
A toothbrush?
You're done. So I won a Pit Boss grill, and I am very excited for it to be here. So hopefully it'll come in the next couple days. They shipped it on Monday, so might not come till next week, but we'll let you know when it gets here.
Post bath baby. Waiting for our chicken to cook. Go see what your dad's doing. Hello.
What's up?
What are you working on?
The tile of the shower.
What's your favorite part?
No,
Why not?
because it's taking forever.
How about that floor tile?
That took even longer.
What was your favorite part of the bathroom?
My favorite part of the bathroom is this mirror. You guys ready? You can't even see that. Give me that. Let me see. All right, here's the mirror. Normal mirror. On slides, drawer slides, hidden. It's messy, but hidden medicine cabinet. Pretty excited about it. What are you doing, Colton? So here's the tile so far. I was waiting because I needed to use the Dremel to cut around this, and then shower handle and up there. So I've been at a standstill for a while, mostly because I'm lazy, but also because I needed that to keep going. I decided to do thick grout lines. We'll see if I regret it in 6 months when I have to clean the grout lines, but we're almost done. Maddie's favorite part of projects is how much of a mess I leave the room.
Ridiculous.
Hey, you just gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, Colton. Girls rolls. So, this bathroom has taken way longer than I wanted to. Basically what I've learned is that I don't really enjoy working with tile. I demoed it, painted it, installed the shiplap, installed the new vanity, did the plumbing, installed the new toilet, did the mirror, did everything. It was awesome. And then I got to the tile and it basically just stopped. Went to a screeching halt because I just don't enjoy it. It's not that hard. It's just tedious and not fun. So we'll see how long this shower actually takes. I also am going to take down this door and install a barn door on the outside, just because the door opening in, it just takes up so much space in here. And if we just have a sliding barn door, it will help with that, and I think it'll look cool. So if you have any ideas or inspiration on how to do that, that'd be sweet. Maddie, we just played 3 rounds of Monopoly Deal. How did that go?
Not so great.
How many games did you win?
0.
Were they close?
The last one was.
How many complete properties did you have?
At the end?
Yeah.
0.
Oh, woof. So, Saturday, we just dropped Colton off at my parents' house. Made some smoothies. Now we're gonna clean the house. Living the dream, baby. What's going on in there?
I was gonna pull some hair out of the shower.
Mmm. Yummy. Mmm.
This isn't very good. We need some better ones.
Okay, before we go to sleep, what do you have to tell them that you did?
Well, I heard a baby crying. I knew it wasn't our baby, so I wanted to be nosy. That's, a problem of mine. I wanted to listen, so I came over here. It's like, I'll just open the window. I won't do it again. But I literally just slid the window up and the AC unit fell. Luckily we have a roof right there, but it fell onto the roof and it just started sliding down. So I grabbed the cord and protected it, but then it was way too heavy to pull back in. So I tried to come pull the window unit back into our room.
This is what I have to live with, guys. Right there. Also, gonna watch Space Force tonight. Just came out. We'll see.